I saw 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas Day, early in the morning, early in the morning. And what was in those ships on Christmas Day, early in the morning, early in the morning. The Lord Jesus Christ, the Lord with his lady, on Christmas Day, early in the morning, early in the morning. And all bells on earth, all the bells shall ring on Christmas Day, early in the morning, early in the morning.